but how can you fix this problem on your Disney app? So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list. In here you're looking for Disney app, or just click on search, then here add Disney app is going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, then you search for Disney app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.